if you
Mhm.
second one, if you are talking about second one, it's it is found in the form of it is found in the form of which form they are going to form Na2CO3 dot 10H2O dot 10H2O. Method of preparation. If you're talking about method of preparation, how we are going to prepare. So method of preparation is by solvay process. By solvay, SALVEY, by solvay process. With the help of solvay process, we prepare the sodium carbonate. So I am going to write the solvay process.
Yes, sir.
If you talk about the solvay process, it involves following steps. It involves following step. Okay, solvay process involve following step. It, wait, little bit something happened here. Ah, sorry.
No problem, sir.
It involve following process, following steps. So step number
Yes, sir.
one, step number one, it is if you talk about step number one, preparation of ammonium carbonate. The first one is preparation of ammonium carbonate. So in the first step, preparation of ammonium carbonate, NH4 twice CO3. This is the ammonium carbonate. Now the step number two, if you talk about step number two, how you are going to prepare, let us write to equation. So if you are writing the equation, it is there NH3. This is the NH3. Then you are going to take the H2O and then you are passing the carbon dioxide. So two molecule you can take. So it is directly, it is going to give NH4 twice CO3. This is forming. Now step number two. If you're talking about step number two, so I know formation of they are talking about formation of what they are going to form, formation of ammonium bicarbonate. This is what formation of ammonium bicarbonate. Now in the second stage carbonate, you are going to prepare ammonium bicarbonate. So NH4, I know this is the ammonium bicarbonate. Same we have to take NH4. This is going to be twice CO3. And this one again you are going to pass, that is H2O plus CO2. So it is going to give, that is two molecule of NH4H and CO3. NH4H CO3. This is what ammonium bicarbonate. This compound is what ammonium bicarbonate. Now
Yes, sir.
ammonium bicarbonate. With the help of ammonium bicarbonate, the third step is going to be prepared, that is sodium bicarbonate. They are saying that is with the help of this one, you prepare sodium bicarbonate. So formation of sodium bicarbonate, formation of sodium bicarbonate. So how can you be able to prepare sodium bicarbonate? You take the ammonium bicarbonate, NH4HCO3. This is the sodium, no, ammonium bicarbonate. You are treating with the NaCl. So they are going to give NH4Cl plus it is going to be NaHCO3. This is what that is
Yes, sir.
bicarbonate. This is our compound is sodium bicarbonate. Yeah, you can say sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now the step number four. If you talk about step number four, so what the point they are saying, that is formation of what compound you are going to prepare, formation of, that is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. So this is the last step. How can
Yes,
you prepare sodium carbonate? You have taken NaHCO3. This you take NaHCO3. Two molecule if you are taking NaSCO3, so they are going to give, that is Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay, so this is all about the preparation of sodium carbonate. This is what our required compound, that is sodium carbonate. So that is, if you talk about the Solvay process basically involve the following four steps.
आणि के ऊपर आणि
First,
जा रहे
you are preparing the
तैयार हो रहे
ammonium carbonate.
तैयार हो रहे
The first step is what you are going to prepare
हाँ
ammonium carbonate. Second step, ammonium bicarbonate. Third step, sodium bicarbonate. And last step, that is sodium carbonate. This is the step. Can you please make a note of it?
yes sir
Okay, please write down. The first one, chemical properties. We are going chemical properties. So if you see chemical properties, so in the first chemical property, that is what is their action of heat, action of heat. So what you are going to do if you are talking about the action of heat, so that is, they are saying that is sodium carbonate decahydrate, sodium carbonate decahydrate, sodium carbonate decahydrate convert into sodium carbonate monohydrate, sodium carbonate monohydrate. This is, so if you talk about the sodium carbonate decahydrate, so it is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O is there. Okay, so if you are heating this one, what temperature they are saying? C375, okay, Kelvin, around 100 degree. So it is converting into Na2CO3 dot H2O plus it is 9H2O. So one water molecule is there. So this compound is known as what? Sodium carbonate monohydrate. This is monohydrate. This is the first one, action of heat. Okay. If you are talking about reaction with water, reaction with water. So when you dissolve in water, it gives what is a strong base. They are saying is strong base, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. It gives a strong base, sodium hydroxide, in bracket slacked lime, SLAKED, slacked lime. What it is going to give? Slacked lime. So you see Na2CO3 plus H2O if you are dissolving, what it is going to give here, Janab? So two molecule of NaOH and then another one is H2CO3. So this is what is known as sodium hydroxide. Okay, this is sodium hydroxide. Another molecule if you are talking about this one, that is what is known as carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is very weak acid, not usable, and sodium hydroxide is very strong. So these are the two chemical properties, okay, for the of the you can say sodium carbonate. Okay, so sodium carbonate or the wasp soda, they don't have the so many chemical properties, only 2 3 are there. Firstly, action of heat and reaction with the water molecule. So these things are available. If you are talking about uses, where are it is going to be used? First one, as a washing soda, so for washing the clothes it is being used as a washing soda. Okay, second, if you are talking about, this is used in pen, paper and textile use industry. Used in where? Pen, okay, paper and textile industry. TEX, textile industry. It is being used there also. That is the washing soda. That is the most one, textile industry. Third one in laundry, in laundry, LAUNDERING, this one. Okay, as a laboratory reagent, as a laboratory reagent. So these are the 3 4 uses of the sodium carbonate. Can you please write down this one, Janab? Chemical properties. Sodium carbonate. Simple is that. From sodium carbonate. Only one method, very simple method is there. From sodium carbonate. So what we are going to do here, when sodium carbonate is passed in, they are saying sodium carbonate is passed in CO2 gas, CO2 gas, then sodium bicarbonate form. Sodium bicarbonate is formed. So that is how you are going to form, by passing the sodium carbonate. So here you see what we are talking about. Na2CO3 dot, or better you write plus H2O plus CO2. These are there. If you are passing this one, so it is giving 2NaHCO3. Either you write that is sodium hydrogen carbonate,
Yes, sir.
or that is what is sodium, that is baking soda. Another is what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate, or sodium bicarbonate, or that is simply baking soda. Okay, so this is the method of preparation. Can you please make a note of it, please?
Yes, sir. Hmm? Sorry.
Done.
No, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now some chemical properties are there. One chemical properties especially, then usage. Chemical properties of baking soda. Chemical properties of baking soda. Only one is there, not too many. Chemical properties of baking soda. Okay. What is the chemical properties? Action with HCl. Okay. Action with HCl. If you are talking about action with HCl, it gives common salt. It gives common salt. So if you are treating with the HCl, it is going to give common salt. So here is NaHCO3 is there. You treat with the HCl. So what it is going to give, that is you are going to get NaCl plus you are going to get H2O, and that is carbon dioxide gas will release. This is what is known as table salt. Okay, table salt. This is the important one. Now usage, if you are talking about usage of baking soda, the first usage, if I will write, that is in the preparation of
Yes, sir.
in the preparation of baking powder, in preparation of whatever we use in our homes, preparation of baking powder, that is what the important one, in preparation of baking powder. Okay, this is the one. Second one, if you are going to write, that is as a antiseptic, as a antiseptic, SEP, as a antiseptic in skin infection, skin infection. Okay, this is the second one. Now let us talk about the third one. As a fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher means for the removing fire, this is also used. Okay, next one is it is used in making antacid. Okay, for digestion process, used in making antacid, making what, that is antacid, ANTACID. So these are the 4 uses are there that you need to keep in mind. Okay, these uses directly come in the exam in multiple choice questions. So please have a note, make a note of it also. So we'll go for the another compound.
Done, sir.
Okay, now we are going to study for the another compound. Okay, so 2 more compounds are there. Today itself we will finish, then we will start, that is group 2 element. Okay, you kindly keep on solving the numerical problem, whatever you are having. Exercise problem, if you are facing the problem, we'll explain that one also. Now we
Yes,
are talking about the sodium hydroxide, study of sodium hydroxide, study of sodium hydroxide. This is the third term, sodium hydroxide, right? So study of sodium hydroxide, in bracket it is NaOH. Okay. It is also known as, what? It is also known as baking soda. It is also known as caustic soda. It is also known as caustic soda. See, caustic soda. It is also known as caustic soda. It means sodium hydroxide is also known as what you are going to name it, caustic soda. Now you see the okay, uh, used as a industrial base, used as a industrial base, used as a industrial base. So industrial base you are going to use. Okay. Method of preparation. If you talk about the method of preparation, Janab, so it is also the important compound, and it is from the by castage. They are saying by cast CUSTI casticizing process. PISING by casticizing process. So now, how you are going to prepare by casticizing process? If you talk about, so they are saying that is if you are, wait a moment, they are saying if you are treat sodium calcium hydroxide, when calcium hydroxide if you talk about calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH whole twice. Okay, when calcium hydroxide is treated with when calcium hydroxide is treated with sodium carbonate, then it gives what it is going to give, then it gives sodium hydroxide. Now let's try to understand this one, how this is happening. Na2CO3 plus CaOH whole twice. Okay, so what it is giving, CaCO3, this is precipitate, and plus 2 NaOH is going to form. This is what is sodium hydroxide, or you can say caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. Another name is what, Janab? That is caustic soda. This is the one more method of preparation is there by Nelson cell process, NELSON, Nelson's cells process, CELL, National cells process. Now, if you talk about national cells process, in this process, NaOH is prepared. How it is preparing? By electrolysis of NaCl. By electrolysis of NaCl. Okay. By if you are doing the electrolysis of NaCl, you can. Now, if you are talking about NaCl, so it is going to give what? Na plus Cl minus. This is there. Now, another we are having, that is H2O. So it is going to give H plus and OH minus. What they are going to do, they are going to combine this way. Okay. So here is Na plus OH minus. They both combine. They are going to give what? NaOH. This is what? Caustic soda. So this is what, that is method of preparation in national cell process, and this is what? By the casticizing process. Can you please write down this one, Janab? Hello?
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
A little bit there in the next page, that also please mention this one. National cells process. Done? Hello, Jana, done?
No, sir.
One more compound is there, sodium chloride. Can we do today?
Sir, we'll do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Sir, we'll do it tomorrow. Na?
Yeah, no problem.
Hmm.
It
Done,
done.
sir.
Okay. Bye.
Done, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.